Hi, Jesse B here. Let's take a quick look at Vlookup. Now, the most important thing about this video is read the information that I'm going to post in the video. Second, most important, is you need to practice this function, Vlookup. So go to jesseb.com and download the file. It's under Excel. So click on Excel at the very top of the screen and then download the workbook that you're looking at right here. So we're looking at Vlookup. So as we look at Vlookup, one of the things we need to be aware of is the syntax. Vlookup, lookup value. What are we going to look up? Then the range. So notice table array, but that just means your range of your table. Column number. So what column number will you use where the information is that you would like to pull? And then the last one actually has to do with true or false. And we're talking about false, generally speaking, for all of us because we want an exact match when we look something up. So I'm going to jump over here and we're going to take a look at Vlookup over here. We're going to type it in right here. Now notice there I have my employee number in B3. So when I start typing Vlookup, as soon as you type the VL, it turns blue. Press Tab. And the first thing we need is the lookup value. The lookup value is going to be in B3 all the time. So I need to click on that cell. Then a comma. Now with that, notice the bold says a table. So we need the information. So I'm going to drag all the way over to the edge. Then I'm going to hold the shift key down, press the END, the word key, and the down arrow, and it will highlight all the way down to the bottom. Now at this point, what I need to do is tell the formula which column is actually going to have the data that I want to pull. So when it looks up the employee number right here in the first column, notice the first column, it's got to be in alphabetical order, sort order, and then it's going to look down and look for that employee number. When it finds the employee number, I want it to pull something from the row. And in our case, my example, I want to pull the division that the employee works in. So that's the seventh one across. So if you count employee ID 1, that's the first column, and count all the way over division is number 7. So we're going to type in a 7, then type a comma. Notice when you type the comma, we have exact match right here. Double click exact match, close parentheses to finish out your formula. We want to click the check mark. And now notice employee 218, their division is anacortes. Now remember a couple things about a VLOOKUP. It must be the first column that you're looking for your piece of information, alpha order, and it must be unique. You can't have 2 or 3 items that are the same in your first column for the VLOOKUP to work. Hope this helps. Have a great day.